Ready?
Just a minute. Hi, this is Annie, and I'm out here with Terrica looking at her completed job in her mom's home. And Terrica, could I ask what prompted you to do this project?
Well, I really needed the project done because we had a huge tub in, and my mom is limited in mobility, so we needed a full walk-in shower. They came in, did an assessment, gave a pretty accurate quote, very affordable, one of the most affordable that I have actually found within the year's time frame. It's perfect. It took about a week for them to take it all down, to install all the new stuff, even redo some of the flooring at the bottom. The shower itself, frameless, and it is flawless. So we love it, very easy, convenient for my mom to use, and we will most certainly call again for future projects.
Thank you. It was such a pleasure to work with you guys, and we love your mom. She's a hoot.
Well, thank you guys so much. I love it.